So here are all the new Blue Lock Rivals codes. Now, these codes are very powerful and I urge you to use them right now. So, what you're going to want to do is basically tap on the codes. As you can see, there is this codes button. Simply tap on it, and now we can enter our code. Before you enter the code, make sure that you are joined in the group and you have to like the game in order to enter in codes. If you can't join any more groups, that means it's full. Like your capacity for groups is full. So you're gonna have to leave some groups in order to join theirs. Now, what you're gonna want to do is type in 100 and KCHRO. And it's going to give you 3 lucky spins and 3 lucky flow spins. It should be in your flows over here. And now you can tap on spin, of course. Next, we're gonna want to go back and tap on the codes again, and now what you're going to want to do is type in 10k devs and then simply tap on redeem, and then it's also going to appear, but this time we're going to get 2x money boost, 3 lucky spins, and 3 lucky flow spins. So let's simply try our flow spins out and see what we get. I'm going to spin once, and wow, we got a rare one. So let's try again, and now we got an epic, which is amazing, but this time let's go for a legendary. I'm going to spin for the last time. And unfortunately, we didn't get a legendary, but we still got an epic, so that is good enough. So, those are the new codes, 100k Crow and 10k Devs. Make sure to use them right now before they expire because they do tend to expire a lot. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.